Hi! In this lecture, we will learn about lists in HTML. There are mainly two types of lists, the ordered lists and the unordered lists. The ordered lists have some kind of numbering, like 1, 2, 3 or ABC, etc. On the other hand, the unordered lists are the lists with bullets and do not have numbering. So on my left, I have this brackets code editor with a simple HTML file with basic structure. And on my right, I have Chrome window with live preview. So first, we look at the ordered lists. In order to write the ordered lists, we use the OL element, which stands for ordered list. And each item of the list is enclosed in the list item element, which is denoted by LI. Let's make the list of operating systems. Mac OS X. Make a new LI element. Linux. Make a new LI element. Windows. You can see that a list has been created with numbering from 1 to 3. This is the default styling for the ordered lists. You can change the styling by giving it the attribute of type in the opening tag of OL. Give it the value of capital A. Now your list starts with capital A. Please note that attributes are given in the opening tags of elements and they generally come in a pair of name and value. In this case, the name of the attribute is type and the value is A. If I change the value to a small I, you can see that the numbering style of lists have changed to Roman letters. You can have 1, 2, 3 or capital alphabets or small alphabets, the small Roman letters, or the capital Roman letters. Let me change it back to normal numbering. Okay, what else? We can also change the order to descending by adding another attribute that is reversed. Now you can see that we have the list in the descending order. We can also set the starting number by using the attribute start and giving it a value, let's say 100. And now the list goes from 100 to 98, and if I remove the attribute of reversed, the list goes from 100 to 102. That's all for ordered lists. Let's have a look on the unordered lists. The unordered lists are written by the UL element, which obviously stands for unordered list. And the list items are written by LI elements, as we have already seen in the ordered list. So let's make a list of fruits. Apples. Duplicate this LI and change to oranges. Duplicate again and change to strawberries. We can change this bullet style by using the attribute of type. The default is disk, which you can see here. I can change it to circle, and you can see the small circles here. I can make it square, and you can see the small squares here. I can also remove the bullets by setting the type equal to none. The list without any bullets might seem strange to you at this point, but please remember this is very important in modern web development. The unordered lists with type none are most commonly used in making the navigations bar. That's all for this lecture. See you in next lesson.